Hello and welcome to Introduction to Reptile Husbandry. Once you've clicked on the Reptile Husbandry course through the dashboard or your courses, you're going to be taken to the home page, which will have the welcome page for you. Here you'll find all the information and areas so that you can click and quickly navigate to the Start Here modules, announcements, syllabus, the regular modules themselves, and the discussions. You'll also be able to click week by week down here in this section for each week's module and assignments. There's also some additional how-tos that I've added here for you so you can set up your profile, test your computer's compatibility with online courses and readiness, and also set up your notifications. This way you can receive notifications through email, text messages, your phone, however you wish to set them up. Now, I've also included an announcement that will pop up when you join the class. It's automatically generated. And it's just my welcoming you to the class. And it has additional information, tells you where to go, when the class starts, and additionally, you can join into the class before January 6th and start on your Start Here First modules. All right, let's go back to the home page here. This is your course navigation. You click on any of these and it will take you to the specified area. For example, if you click people, it's going to take you to all of the page where it has all of the students as well as the teacher and show you who's all taking the course. You also can click on online tutoring, which will take you to an online version of the AAC for tutoring. They're usually there almost, I would say, 24 hours a day, but there is sometimes in the evening when it might take longer to find someone to assist you. So from here, if you want to, you can click the Start Here First module. And this button will take you to the Start Here First module. Or you can come over here and click on modules themselves. And that will take you to the modules where you will see the Start Here First module. Once in here, you'll have the different pages throughout, the overview, meeting me, and how to contact me, and then the types of activities in this course. During this course, you're going to have each week a discussion. You'll also have a quiz. And then every few weeks, you'll end up with a writing assignment. There is a writing assignment for the first week of class. And then at the middle of the semester, you'll have your midterm. And then at the end of the semester, you'll have your final. All of these are done to find your level of understanding of the course material and of what you have learned up to that point. There are also ways to earn extra credit throughout the course. Now, if you're ever wondering about your grade in the class, all you have to do is come over here to the course navigation and click grades. Or you can come down here to the types of activities and click grades here in the link. This will send you over to the grades, which will click on it. This shows you all of the assignments that have been populated, that are published, and that are available to you, and their, how much points they're worth, and how many points you got. If something's missing, it's going to show up with the status of missing, or if it's late, it'll show up with late, which will result in you losing some points for each one of them. All right, back to the modules here. From here, you click in one, and you can read down through it, scroll through it. Once you're at the bottom, you can actually click this next button, and it'll take you to the next page. And you can continue this all the way to the end of the module if you want. Personally, I would go back to clicking on modules and just glance over what you do need and what you don't need for each week, and then click on the assignments or the lectures. A good example of this would be week 1, where you can click on the overview, but then I like to, instead of looking into the lectures and the videos right away, I like to skip from the overview to what the first assignment is. And in this case, it's the discussion. And here you'll be talking about the differences of snakes, crocodilian, turtles, and lizards. And then you're going to put in the differences between them, and you're going to put in something that's similar, and then something that you found fascinating or most interesting for that matter. And then you can go back to modules again and click to the lectures, the videos, or even move to the writing assignments as well as the quiz and take a look at them. I would recommend, before you click on the quizzes and start any of the quizzes, you read through the lecture and the videos first, as the quizzes do pertain to those. And if you don't read them, it puts you at a disadvantage because you only have 30 minutes to answer each one of these questions. Granted, there is only 10, so that means you get about 3 minutes per question pretty much, which is, I think, is quite a bit amount of time, but I try to make it where it gives everybody the opportunity to take a moment and pause and then continue on for each question. And you never know, you could be taking the quiz and something happens in the middle of it. 30 minutes gives you some leeway either way. All right, so back to the home page here. From the home page, you can click on our syllabus, or you can click syllabus over here. It's right here. It's a downloadable Word document. And then you can also click on the calendar in Canvas. And if you click on the calendar in Canvas, it will show you all the assignments that are due for the semester for that month. And you can always click to the next month to see what's due during that time as well. Even if it is not populated yet or published on the course summary, it will be in there. So I hope to see you all in here, and have a great evening.